During Ramadan, to stay hydrated, you have to make sure that you split the water during the iftar time. So you drink water during the whole iftar time, just to break the amount. You don't drink one whole water bottle once the iftar time. So you just split the amount of water during the time that you are awake, during the iftar time. And that's how you stay hydrated basically, and stay away from the sun most of the time. And what about you, man?
My answer is actually similar. I should spread my water in my iftar time, and every time I'm eating, I should have a good amount of water. And especially at suhoor, my suhoor meal, I increase my water intake with that meal. And while I'm fasting during the day, I try to stay in a cold area, in an AC, not in the sun, not in the heat. I know sometimes it's a bit difficult because some people work outside, but just try to stay in the shade or in the car instead of directly in the sun, and that should help.
Hope you guys liked the video, and please subscribe and follow us. And if you got any questions about Ramadan, what to eat and everything, just comment below and let us know.